All right, this is Mr. Richardson here with some pointers on how to put calculations onto a Word document. So here I am, I have my Word document opened up, and now there are other ways to do it, and you can feel free to do your own way, but this is what I usually do. I insert a text box. Just choose that first one there, and we'll go ahead and type up how many grams of boron from 2 moles of boron. Okay, leave myself some space here. And setting up this problem on my periodic table, I don't know the mass of boron off the top of my head. Taking a look at my periodic table, 10.811 grams of boron. And that's per, just right underneath, 1 mole of boron. Stretch out our word box a little bit here. And enter space a few times, give myself an equal. Can go ahead and do my calculation. And come up with 21.622 grams of boron and 2 moles. If you had significant digits, now we don't, but if you did, underline your significant digits. If you right-click, you can underline them with that little U underline for underline. Now again, we don't have significant digits, so we don't want that. Another way, if you're not able to right-click, is to go up to Home. And again, there's that U with the underline, and we don't want it. Turn it off, turn it on. Toggle that off and on. I don't like the lines. It's not a problem if you have them. But I'm going to again right-click on the text box, go up here to Outline, and put white or no outline. Either one will work, and there we go. We no longer have the white outlines. In order to put our picket fence factory label, I insert line, and here we go, insert shapes, and then I just choose that line right there. Again, insert shapes, choose that line, just click and drag. There's my line. You could insert another line and do the same thing. I usually like to copy and paste and put the vertical line there, and there we go. Final answer should always be blocked. So I insert a shape, put it around my final answer. Now again, I can't see the final answer unless I right-click, fill. I don't want to fill. So there's no fill, choose that. And the outline color, probably red, that stands out the best. There we go. And that's how I do my work on a Word document. Again, we can group this all and move it around if we wanted to. Whoops. Oh, we got to work on grouping apparently. So there we go, right click. I was holding Control as I selected each of those components. So they're all selected together, they're grouped, group, and there we go. I can now move them around, I can copy them, I can paste them anywhere I want. Move them around, can select just the words, can select out of it. Make sure I select the bigger box here if I want to go back to my entire group of problems. So that's how I like to enter my equations and show my work on Word. There are other ways to do it. You can feel free to select any of those ways you'd like, but this is my suggestion on how to go about doing that.